Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Honor 600 Pro. First, toggle Bluetooth off and on in the settings. Open the Settings app, go to Bluetooth, and if it's enabled, simply disable it and enable it again. Next, unpair and repair the device. I don't have my device paired here. Let me quickly do that and show you the process. Now it's connected. This is our paired device. Tap the eye icon and click Unpair. Now they're not paired. For me, I have to close the case. These are AirPods Pro, so I set them up by double tapping the case. Then tap them in Bluetooth and click Pair. As you can see, they're connected. If it doesn't work for you, restart the Bluetooth device and the phone. Press the power button and volume up button, tap Restart, and tap again to confirm. For the AirPods, close the case, wait for the green light, and simply open it again. After the restart, enter your PIN. As a last resort, update your software to fix connectivity glitches. Go to Settings, scroll down to System and Updates, and tap on Software Update. As you can see, my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating. This is important to keep up with the latest software so you don't have old glitches. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.